Well, I guess I did it when I wiped my sweat.
No, that was before that.
It's alright. Quit making fun of me.
Wait, what'd you do?
It's
Tore that
alright.
mold off.
You guys ready?
Okay, be serious.
Cold.
Come on. Aaliyah wants a picture of me and Pat. Stand over there for a minute. Come on! You silly girl.
Alright.
Junior, I know what you're doing. I can get my arm up high enough.
Better not stand back there crumbling out there on the sticky side.
I can release some gas at any time.
Grandma got silly putty all over.
Silly putty. Silly string.